Now paper number 171. Now in this 171, question number 66 onwards come under reasoning. Now question number 66. Now it is based on calendars, isn't it? Now months. Now how many members are there? There are some 8 members, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. And they were joined in an office in the same year of different months. Now different months were given. Whenever the months were given, first we need to write down the months at the center, isn't it? And so what are the months we have? Jan, next Feb, March, April, May, June, July and August. Are the 8 months we have? And 8 persons joined in these 8 different months. Then coming to condition number 1, what is the information we have? Now in condition number 1, first write down the months at the center and extend the lines like this, wherein you can able to work out 2 possibilities simultaneously. Then coming to the first one, G joined in the month which has even number of days but not in the month of February. And C even number of days but not in the month of February. Tell me how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. What are those 2 possibilities? Either in the month of April or in the month of June. Hence, as you have 2 different possibilities, we have represented these 2 simultaneously. And next, coming to this one, 3 persons between G and F. In between G and F, there must be exactly 3 persons. Hence, in the first case, F must be in the month of August. And again, in the second case, F must be in the month of 1, 2, 3, 3 persons between G and F. F must be in the month of February. Done with this? And C joined immediately before F. Hence, in the first case, C must be in the month of July. And in the second case, C must be in the month of Jan. And next one, number of persons joined after C is same as before E. After C, there is only 1 person. Before E, there must be exactly 1 person. Hence, C must be in the month of February. And again, in the case of second case, C is here. Hence, after C, there are 7 persons. And before this E, there must be 7 persons. And C must be in the month of August. And 2 persons between E and D. 1 to D in the month of May in the first case, and in the second case again D in the month of May. And H and D joined in the immediate months. H and D are adjacent to each other. H and D are adjacent to each other. And finally B joined neither in January nor March. And finally in the first case B must be either in the month of Jan or in the month of March. And according to the last condition, B cannot be in the month of Jan and March. And the first case got invalid. Now we have left with the second case. Now B cannot be in the month of March and B must be in the month of July. And the person who is left over, who is the person left here? A. A must be in the month of March. Clear? And so what is the final arrangement you have? C, F, A, H, D, G, B, E is the order. Then coming to question number 66. If all the persons are joined in alphabetical order from one after the other, then who are joined in the same month? Then if all the persons join in alphabetical order from one after another, then who are joined in the same month? Now tell me, is there any person who remained in the same month here? Now starting with whom? Starting with A. Now starting with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. None of the persons are matching here. No one, choice 1. And next one, the number of persons joined before A. There are 2 persons, same as after whom? After G. And this G was born in the month of, now G born in the month of June. Hence G, June, that is choice 4, question number 67. And 68, the one who joined immediately before H, that is A, joined in which of the following months? A joined in the month of March, that is choice 3, question number 68. Then 69, in which of the following pair, first person joined 2 months after the second person. Now first person, G, 2 months after E. Is it true here? No. And first person H, 2 months after G. This is again false. And next one, first person C, 2 months after H, that's again false. And next one, first person D, 2 months after A, definitely true. And so what is your answer? Choice for question number 69. And which among the following is the odd one? C, A, D, B, G. Now C, A, D, B and G. Yes, tell me what is your answer? C born in the month, C joined in the month of Jan, A in the month of March, D in the month of May, B in the month of July, except G. The remaining 4 persons joined in the month which is having 31 days, but where is this G joined in the month which is having 30 days. Hence, what is your answer? Choice 5, question number 70. Clear? Now this is about question number 66 to 70. Then 71 onwards, 71 to 75. Now in this 71 to 75, how many persons are there? There are some 8 persons. And who are those 8 persons? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W are the 8 persons we have. And these 8 persons are seated around a circular table and facing towards the center. Information clearly given. All the persons are facing towards the center. Then coming to condition number 1. And 8 members, the distance between adjacent persons is same, and there are 2 persons between P and V. And Q is seated second to the right of V. Hence, I am fixing V at this place. If V is here, Q sits second to the right of V, isn't it? And next one, 2 persons between P and V. How many possibilities we have? 1, 2. P can be either to the left hand side of V or to the right hand side. Hence, there is a second possibility as well. Write down the second possibility. V is here, Q is here, 2 persons between P and V. And in the second case, P is to the immediate right hand side of Q. And W is to the immediate left of R. And W is to the immediate left of R. W is to the immediate left of R. Tell me how many possibilities we have. W and R, this is one such a possibility, isn't it? And P and W are not immediate neighbors. Now here in this case, P and W are immediate, hence that case is ruled out. Hence we cannot have W and R. Then in the second case, if R is here, W is here. W is to the immediate left of R. And at the same time, P and W are not immediate neighbors. And U sits second to the right of R. Now this is U, sits second to the right of R. S is neither an immediate neighbor of T nor Q. S cannot be at this place, and S is here. Now if S is here, T must be here. Clear? Hence, what is the final arrangement we have? VS, UP, R, W, Q, T. Then first one, the number of persons sitting between U and T. And now U and T, how many people are there? There are 2 persons, same as R and T. Isn't it? R and T, that is choice 4. And 2 persons in between these two, and again 2 persons in between R and T. And next one, the one who is seated second to the right of P, that is S, is facing the one who is to the immediate right. Now S is opposite to W. This W is to the immediate right hand side of whom? Q. Q is the answer, choice 1, question number 72. Then 73, in which of the following pair only one person is sitting between them? Now in between V and W, how many people? There are 2 people. And V and T, there is no person. R and W, there is no person. Between T and S, there is exactly 1 person. Choice for question number 73. Then 74. Now in this 74, if S and T interchange their places, S and T interchange their places, then W and P. S and T interchange their places means T is coming to the place of S, S is going to the place of T. And W and P interchange their places, W is here and P is here. W and P interchange their places. Then who is facing P? Now tell me, who is that person facing P? Yes. Now this S interchange with T, and T is the answer, choice 5, question number 74. And which among the following is the odd one? Q and P. Now Q and P, now in between Q and P, there are 2 persons in between Q and P. R and S, there are 2 persons. U and T, now between U and T, there are 2 persons. And V and W, again between V and W, there are 2 persons. T and Q. Now between T and Q, there is no person. Hence, what is your answer here? Except in choice 5. And in the remaining choices, there are exactly 2 persons in between. Hence, choice 5 is the odd one, question number 75. Clear? Then 76 onwards. Now this 76 onwards, it come under which category here? Blood relations. Now in this blood relations, how many persons are there? And all together we have some 9 persons. These 9 persons belong to a family. And L is the father of V. How to represent this one? L is the father of V. L is here. Now this L is the father of V, can be represented like this. And B is the spouse of T, means B and T are married to each other. B and T are married. And T, who is the brother of V. Now this T is the brother of V. As T is the brother of V, T is a male. Now this T and B are married couple. T is a male and B is a female. B and T are married couple. Clear? B is the spouse of T. T, who is the brother of V. And at the same time, P is the son of L's daughter. Now this P is the son of L's daughter. and P is the son of whom? L's daughter. L is having a daughter, daughter is having a son P. And L has only 2 children. As L is having only 2 children, and who are those two? V and T. Out of which this L is having a daughter as well. As of now, one son is there, daughter must be V. Now this daughter's P is the son of. Now this P is the son of whom? P is the son of L's daughter, that is V. P is the son of L's daughter, and L has only 2 children, V and T. And next one, and M is the uncle of H. M is the uncle of H, H who is the sister of E. H is the sister of E, and next one, B has 2 children. Now as B has 2 children, and who are those 2 children? And H and M is uncle of H, H is 1, H and E. And H and E are the children of these 2, children of B and T. Now here, T who is the brother of V, P is the son of L's daughter, and L has only 2 children. And next one, M is the uncle of H. M is uncle of H means either paternal uncle or maternal uncle. Now paternal uncle is not possible because T's brother is not there, because there are only 2 children to T's father. Hence obviously, hence this person, M is the uncle of H means M must be the brother of V. That is H's mother's brother. And next one, H who is the sister of E. H is the sister of E. And G is the spouse of L. G is the spouse of L means G and L are married to each other. Clear now? Then, who is the father of E? Tell me who is the father of E? T is the father, that is choice 3, question number 76. And 77, how is G related to M? Yes, tell me how is G related to M here? Now M's sister's mother-in-law, isn't it? Now there is no direct relation between M and G. Now G is the mother-in-law of B. B is husband's mother. And G is the mother-in-law of B. That means M's sister's mother-in-law is the right answer. Clear? We cannot take straight away mother-in-law. B's mother-in-law is G. But whereas though B and M are siblings to each other, the same relation cannot be carried to this M as well. The actual answer is sister's mother-in-law. Or there is no relation. Then coming to 78, how is E related to P? Yes, E related to P. P is mother's brother, uncle's child. Uncle's child is cousin, that is choice 4, 78. Done with this? The next one, directions 79 to 81. Now in this 79 to 81 directions, tell me whether it come under the first priority or the second priority. First priority itself. Then a person started from point H and walked 7 meters. H is the starting point. For this person walks 7 meters and reaches, and to reach point L. From L he takes left turn and walks 15 meters. From here, left hand side and walks 15 meters and reach to which point? And reach to point T. And from T, he takes right turn and walks 6 meters and to reach point J, this is J. Again he takes right turn to walk 7 meters and reaches point S. From here and 7 meters and reaches to point S. Then S is in which direction from starting point? Now tell me what is the direction of this S from H? In order to reach to S from H, first I need to move towards south and towards west, and south and west to southwest. Southwest, that is given in choice 3, question number 79. Then coming to this 80, and if he started in the north direction, then J is in which direction? From L. Now if this person has started towards, J is in which direction? From L. Yes, tell me what is your answer in this case? And J is in which direction from L? J is in which direction from L? Now if it is towards west. Now if this person has started towards which direction? North. North and first L are all upon L, that is 7 meters. Then left hand side, what is the distance this person has covered? And 15 meters, left hand side 15 meters. And further to reach point T, this is L. And from here, right hand side 6 meters. And finally, another right hand side, what is the distance we have? 7 meters to reach S. Now, J is in which direction with respect to L? Now, where is J here? J is here. And J is in which direction with respect to L? North and west, that is northwest. Northwest, choice 2. Question number 80, it is choice 2. The next one, 81st. And find the distance between S and L. Now the distance between S and L. Now tell me what is the shortest distance between these two? Out of these 15, 7 already gone, this is 8. And what is the distance between these two? Out of these 15, then tell me what is the distance we have? Sorry. Now this is equals to 6 meters, right? Isn't it? Equal to JNT. And again, this one out of this 15, now this 7 already completed, and this is 8. Now 8 and 6. 8 square plus 6 square. What is your answer here? 10 meters, choice 3, 81. Then 82 onwards, it is based on sequence. There are some 5 questions given under this sequence. Then coming to this, question number 82. Now if all the symbols are deleted from the above series, and all the digits are arranged left in descending order, then which is 6th to the left of L? Now first all the symbols must be deleted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 elements were deleted. Then all the digits are arranged left hand side in descending order. Descending order, all the digits must be arranged in the descending order. How many digits we have? 9, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7. Next one, anything else? 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. Now the question is about 6th to the left of L. As 6th to the left of L, then tell me what is your answer in this case? Now 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, and one more element is there. What is that element? 1. Isn't it? And after this one, then 6th to the left of L. Where is L here? L is here. Now L is here 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't 4 you are already there? 5. And this is the 6th element. Hence what is your answer? 3, that is choice 5. Now follow here లేదా? ఫస్ట్ ఈ నెంబర్స్ అన్ని ఇలా రాసాం. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ మిగిలిపోయిన అన్ని లెటర్స్ అన్ని వరుసగా రాసుకోవాలి కదా. అలా వరుసగా రాసే వాళ్ళు ఏం చేశాను చెప్పండి, ఎల్ నుంచి 6th ఎలిమెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెఫ్ట్ అన్నాడు. 6 అంటే ఏముండాలి? ఇక్కడ లెటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. లెటర్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఎల్కి 6th లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ కే వచ్చింది, ఎస్ వచ్చింది, జీ వచ్చింది, ఎన్ వచ్చింది. 4 లెటర్స్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఇంకేం అడిగాడు? 6th లెఫ్ట్. అండ్ 5th ఎలిమెంట్ ఏమవుతుంది? 1 అవుతుంది. అండ్ 6th ఎలిమెంట్ విల్ బి 3. 3, that is choice 5, question number 82. Then 83, and which element is exactly middle to the elements which are 6th from the right and 8th from the left? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th from the left is K. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th from the right is Z. Now the element that is exactly in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means the 6th element. And what is the 6th element we have? 5. 5, that is choice 3, question number 83. And if all the numbers are interchanged with its preceding element, numbers interchanged with what? Its preceding element, then how many numbers are preceded with the symbols? Now number preceded with a symbol raval. Now these numbers are immediately preceded what? Interchange with its preceding element, and this is 7 and n. And next one, number preceding element means this is 8 and at the rate of. 1 and k means 1 and k. And next one, 1 and k, then 9 and 1. 9 and 1 ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? 9 and k. And k will be here, 9 will be here. Follow అవుతున్నారా లేదా? And next one, number 5 and L. Next one, this is 3 and this is B. And this is 4 and this is Z. Then how many numbers are there preceding with a symbol? Now this 7 is not preceded with symbol. 8 is not preceded with symbol. Yes, 1 is preceded with symbol at the rate of. And next one, 9 is not preceded with a symbol. Next, anything else here? 5. 5 preceded with a symbol $. Next one, 3 preceded with this symbol. That's it. Hence, how many symbols we have? There are 3 altogether. 3, that is choice. And there are 3 such numbers which are immediately preceded by symbols. Choice 1, question number 84. Then 85, and which among the following is the odd one? Odd one, 8, k and 9. What is the difference between these elements? 8 and k plus 1, k and 9 plus 2. Now the difference between these elements is plus 1 plus 2. F exclamation, the difference is plus 1, here again plus 2. Here plus 1 plus 2. Yes at the rate of plus 1, at the rate of and k plus 2. Here again the difference is 1 and 2. And 5, here plus 1. And here 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Hence except in choice 4. And in the remaining, the difference between the elements given is 1 and 2 is the difference. Unlike choice 4. In choice 4, it is 1 and 3. And 86, so how many letters? The question is about a letter. How many letters are there second to the left of a symbol? Now letter that is second to the left of a symbol. N is second to the left of symbol hash. The next one. Now G is second to the left of symbol at the rate of. And next one. Then this percentage, second left is not a letter. And next one to this dollar, second left is not letter. And again. Now to this. How many letters are there second to this symbol? Now L is the letter that is second to the left. Isn't it? And next one, and to this symbol, star. And second to the letter is, second to the left is B. B is a letter. And next one, that's it. And plus. Now plus is a symbol. Second to the left of is F. And so what is your answer here? N, G, L, B and F. And solve together we have some 5 such letters. 5 such letters, that is choice 3, question number 86. Then 87 onwards, it is based on set of words. If all the first letters of the 3-letter word is changed to the previous letter, first letter and third letter is changed to the next letter, how many words are found meaningful? Now S, U, and for M it is N plus 1. First letter minus 1, last letter plus 1. Here S and this is T, S, it is set. And L, previous letter is K, O, and G plus 1 H. W, previous letter is what? V. And VAN, van. And next one M, LEG, leg. And CIH. And so how many words that can be formed here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And so 4 words that can be formed, that is choice 2. Sun, set, van, and leg are the 4 words that can be formed. 87, it is choice 2. Then coming to this 88, if all the vowels are changed to its next letter, and all the consonants are changed to the previous letter, then vowel change to the next letter, this will be V, F, P, B, F, J. Vowel change to the next letter, consonant previous means T minus 1 S, M minus 1 L, T minus 1 S, S minus 1 R, L minus 1 K, and G minus 1 F. And here it is V, and this is L, and this is L, and this is E, L, F, G. And here D, C and F. Now the question, how many words get a letter appear more than once? SVL, SFR, KPF, VBL, LFE, and there is no letter that is repeated more than once. And so what is your answer? No. Choice 5, 88. And in this 89, if all the words are arranged according to alphabetical order within the word. All the words are arranged according to alphabetical order, and also the words from left to right, which is third from the left hand. Which is third from the left hand. All the words are arranged according to alphabetical. It is not the word. And all the letters are arranged according to alphabetical within the word. If it is within the word, the letters must be arranged in the alphabetical order. Isn't it? And also the words from left to right. And which is third from the left hand. Now tell me which is third from the left hand here. Here the least letter is what? M. Here the least letter is E. And here the least letter is Z. And here the least letter is A. Now here it is E. And here it is D. Now third from the left hand. Then all these words are arranged in the alphabetical order. Now this is the first one. And this is the second. Now between these two, E, F and M, E, S and T, M, E, F would be the third one. Now third from the left hand. M, E, F, that is choice 2, question number 89. Clear now? Now here there is a small correction here. All the letters are arranged according to alphabetical order within the word. 89. Then 90th, the first letter of each of the word is interchanged with the third letter of the same word. How many words are in alphabetical order? And first and the third letters are interchanged means it is nothing but the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order, or the words are in the reverse. First and the third are interchanged means the entire word will be reversed. As entire word will be reversed here, now the question is about how many letters will be, how many words will be in the alphabetical order. Now, hence, read this one in the reverse order. MUT, are they in the reverse order? No. MUT, they were not in the reverse order. And next one SCT, and GOL. And next one MAW, and FEM, and GID. Hence, what is your answer here? None, that is choice 1. None of the words in the alphabetical order. Then next one, 91. If all the vowels in the word are changed to next vowel, use next vowel is A, E it is I, O it is U, A it is E, EI and IO. All the vowels in the word changed to the next vowel, then how many meaningful words can be formed? TAM, TIS, LUG, WEM, MIF, DOG. Yes, tell me how many words that can be formed? One that is given in choice 4. DOG, dog, is the only word that can be formed. Then 92 onwards, now it is based on straight line. Now how many persons are there? 8 persons sitting in a row facing towards north is clearly given. 8 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these 8 persons seated in a row facing towards north direction. H is seated second to the right of E. H is seated second to the right of E. As of now, we cannot represent the data because there will be more possibilities to this. H is seated second to the right of E. 3 persons are in between E and F. Now in between E and F, how many people are there? There must be exactly 3. 1, 2, 3. F can be like this, or F is here and 3 people between E and F, E and H will be like this. Whether F is to the left hand side of E or to the right hand side. 3 persons between E and F, and at the same time H is seated second to the right of E. H is seated second to the right of E. And next one. A is an immediate right of F. A is immediate right of F, A and F. Here also A is to the immediate right of F, A and F. And B is to the immediate right of Z. And B is to the immediate right of Z. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons were already there. And B is to the immediate right of Z. Hence, B is to the immediate right of G. This is G and this is B. B is to the immediate right of Z. Done with this? And next one. B is to the immediate right of G. Here in the second case, it is not possible. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is to the immediate right of G. And so G and B can be like this, or G and B can be like this. Isn't it? Hence, altogether, we have some 3 different possibilities. Only one person between B and C. B and C, there is exactly one person. Now, if B is here, then now G and B cannot be at this place. Isn't it? Hence, one person between B and C, there is another possibility. And next one, neither A nor E are at any end. Now, here in the second case, A is at an end, and this case is ruled out. And so we have left with only the first one. What is the first case we have? FAG, BE, FAG, BE, CH. BE, FAG, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and only 7 persons were there, right? H, FAG, BE, CH, and one more person is there, right? And who is the other person? D. And next one, only one person between B and C, and neither A nor E are at any ends of the row. Number of persons sitting to the right of C is same as to the left. Left of G, there are 2 persons, and right of C, there must be 2 persons. And so who is the person left out? D is the person left out. Now here in this one, if you observe here, how we have solved this one. Now చూడండి ఎలా చేసాం ఇది. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ మనకి అరేంజ్మెంట్లో ఫిక్స్ చేయాల. ఇంతకు ముందు అంతా ఎక్కడ చేసామో ఇక్కడే ఫిక్స్ అయ్యేది. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఫిక్స్ అవ్వలేదు? డెఫినెట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు. B is second from the left, or C is second from the right, అలాంటిది ఏదైనా ఇచ్చాడా? హెన్స్ కండిషన్స్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా తీసుకున్నాం, ఫైనల్గా ఇందులో అరేంజ్ చేసుకున్నాం. Clear? If definite information is not given, this is how you need to work out these type of questions. By taking the possibilities here. Then who is fourth to the right of the one who is to the immediate left of G? G ki immediate left ఎవరు చెప్పండి? A ki fourth right 1, 2, 3, 4. C is the answer. Choice 2, question number 92. And 93, how many persons are sitting to the left of the one who is second to the left of H? And second to the left of H ఎవరు? E. And E ki left hand side ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? 4. There are 4 persons to the left hand side, that is choice 4, 93. And in this 94, who is fourth to the right of B? Fourth to the right of B, 1, 2, 3, 4, D. And D is your answer, choice 2, 94. And which among the following is the odd one? A and E. Now A and E, there are 2 persons between A and E. B and H, there are 2 persons. F and B, there are 2 persons. E and D, there are 2 persons. G and H, there are 3 persons. Hence, which is the odd one here? Choice 5. Except in choice when the remaining, there are exactly 2 persons in between these 2. Then coming to this 96, what is the position of G with respect to the one who is sitting second to the left of D? And who is seated second to the left of D? C. Then what is the position of G with respect to C? 1, 2, 3, third to the left. And third to the left, that is given in choice for question number 96. Then 97 onwards, they are based on syllogisms. The first model in this syllogisms, read all and given conclusion logically follows. Conclusion logically follows that no eagle is egg. Now this is eagle. And no eagle is what? No eagle is egg means no intersection between eagle and an egg. And only a few eggs are elephant. Only some eggs are elephant, but not all. Only some eggs are elephants, but not all. And no elephant is an ear. No intersection between elephant and an ear. Now this is what the information we have. And first one, some eagles are not elephant. Eagle is here, elephant. No eagle is an elephant. Some eagles are not elephant is also true. Some ears are not eggs is also true. Both the conclusions are true, and both the conclusions that are true are negative conclusions. Hence, we need to go for an alternate diagram to make this one false at least once. Then tell me how to make this one false. Some eagles are not elephant. False all and all eagles are elephant. Now tell me, is it possible to write all eagles are elephant? Eagles and elephant and రాయలేమా? ఎందుకును ఈగిల్స్ ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. ఈగిల్ దేంతో కలవకూడదు, ఎగ్గతో కలవకూడదు. ఎగ్గతో కలవకుండా ఈగిల్ ఇందులోకి వచ్చేసింది. క్లియర్? And so we have proven a case where all eagles are elephant is true. Some eagles are not elephant will be false. Then coming to the second, some ears are not eggs అన్నాడు. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఆల్ ఇయర్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్స్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఆల్ ఇయర్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్స్ అని చెప్పొచ్చా లేదా? ఆల్ ఇయర్స్ ఆర్ దిస్ ఎంటైర్ ఇయర్ మస్ట్ బి పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఎగ్. ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా ఇయర్. And if you have written all ears are eggs like this, now this is also false. And so what is your answer? Neither one nor two. Neither one nor two. Choice 5, question number 97. Then coming to this 98. And all these rings are ropes. Now these are the rings and that are ropes. All rings are ropes and only a few roses are rats. Each rope is a rose. Each rope is a rose means all ropes are roses. All ropes are what? Roses. Only a few roses are red. Only some roses are red, but not all. Only some roses are red, but not all. This entire rose cannot be a part of this red. Clear? Then coming to the first conclusion. All rings are red. True or false? Tell me. All rings are red. True or false? Ring is here, red is here. No intersection between these two. False. Some roses are not ring. And some roses are not ring. True in the false in the true in. Some roses are not rings. True in the have to brain jail చెప్పండి. All roses are rings అని చెప్పాలి. మరి all roses are rings అని చెప్పొచ్చా? All roses are rings అని చెప్పొచ్చా? ఎలా చెప్తారు? All roses are rings. Now rose equals to rope equals to ring. మనం క్లాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 65. All roses or rings are equals to rope. Then what happens here? All roses are rings is true. Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. And so neither one not two. And what is your answer here? Neither one not two. Choice 3, question number 98. Done? And coming to this 99. Now in this 99, only a few fruits are fans are flag. Only few fans are flag, but not all. Only few fans are flag, but not all. Anni fans aithe flags kaadu. Only few, but not all. No fan is a fruit. No fan is a fruit means no intersection between fan and a fruit. And next one, only a few fruits are flowers. Only some of the fruits are flowers, but not all. Only some fruits are flowers, but not all. And first one, no flower is fan. Flower is here and fan is here. As of now, that is true. All fruits are fans. All fruits are fruit and fan, that is false. No fruit is a fan. Then coming to the first conclusion, that is true, negative conclusion. ఇది false అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? Some flowers are fan. Flower and a fan ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. రాసుకుంటే ఏమైపోయింది? Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. And so what is your answer? Neither one not two. Neither one not two, that is choice 5, question number 99. Then finally coming to question number 100. Now this 100, only a few bikes are bicycles. Only a few bikes are bicycles. How to represent this one? Only some bikes are bicycles, but not all. Only few bikes are bicycles, but not all. Only some, but not all. And no bicycle is a car. No intersection between bicycle and a car. Car is here. And next one, all these cars are what? This entire cars is a part of this train. All cars are trains. And first one, some bikes are not trains. Now these are the bikes that are not trains, definitely true. And second one is a possibility. Now to make this one false, then we need to check out for alternate diagram. All bikes are trains. Tell me, is it possible to write all bikes are trains like this or not? Now this entire bike ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఇలా బైక్ రాస్తాం, బైక్తో పాటు బైసికల్ కూడా ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Clear? And alternate diagram to previous conclusion false. And finally, all trains or bikes is a possibility. Trains అన్ని బైక్స్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది అన్నాడు. ట్రైన్స్ అన్ని బైక్స్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? చెప్పండి, రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? ట్రైన్స్ అన్ని బైక్. Now bike and bicycle should be intersected. Now I am writing down this bike like this. And so all trains are bikes is possible. And so what is your answer? Only 2 follows. Only 2, that is choice 1, question number 100. Clear? Now this is about the reasoning section in this paper number 171 SBI Clerk Prelim. Any doubts in this one? Anything left out in this paper? Quant అయిపోయిందా లేదా ఇంకా? Number series completed? Fine then. And next is English.